In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Webp images as PNG or JpegJpg in Google Chrome without converting. Now, if you've ever tried to save a Webp image, you might have noticed that it's not always compatible with all devices or applications, as some older systems or certain apps might still not fully support the Webp format. But don't worry. There's a surprisingly simple workaround to save these images in a more universal format like PNG or JPEG without using any additional software or conversion tools. To get started, let's say you've already identified the Webp image you'd like to save. The first thing you should do is right-click on the image. This will open up a menu with several options, and you will want to select Open Image in New tab. Doing this opens up the image separately so you can take a closer look at it. Once you have the image open in a new tab, take a glance at the URL in the address bar. You'll notice that it ends with .webp, indicating the image file type. Now this is the key part. You're going to change that file extension. Click on the address bar to highlight the URL, then replace .webp with either .png or .jpg, depending on your preferred format. So, if you're particularly fond of a format that offers lossless quality and excellent transparency options, you might want to go with PNG. On the other hand, if you're looking for a format that is widely compatible and generally offers smaller file sizes, .jpg could be your choice. After replacing the file extension, press Enter on your keyboard. This will reload the image. Notice how it might look exactly the same at first, but don't be fooled. The magic happens when we try to save it now. Next, perform another right-click on this image in the New tab. Here, you're going to select Save Image As from the drop-down menu. When you do this, you'll see the Save As Type box has already adjusted to match the file format you chose, be it PNG or JPEG. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Go ahead and save the image to your desired location on your computer. This simple trick lets you efficiently bypass the need for converting tools or applications that might complicate a task as straightforward as saving an image. It's a handy tool for those moments when you need an image quickly in a more compatible or versatile format. And that's all there is to it. With this quick and easy method, you can save Webp images as either PNG or JPEG right from Google Chrome, ensuring your images are ready to use in whatever project or platform you're working with. If this was helpful, be sure to share the tip with others who might find it useful as well.